This short video shows how to set up and adjust alarm settings on Nonin Model 7500 and 7500 FO pulse oximeters. Setup is identical on both the 7500 and 7500 FO models. Setup mode is used to set the clock and calendar, adjust alarm settings, clear the oximeter's memory, and memory download. Both 7500 model oximeters also have a patient security mode that prevents changes to alarm limits and alarm volume. To enter setup mode, start with the oximeter turned on and patient security mode disabled. To disable patient security mode, press and hold the alarm silence and limits button, and then press the on-off button when turning the oximeter on. You will see SEC off appear on the screen momentarily during startup. During startup, you will have the option to retain the current alarm settings or reset them. First, press the limits button. You will see RCL appear on the screen. To save the limits, press the plus button. When Yes appears, press the limits button again to save previous settings. To clear settings and reset, press the limits button. When you see RCL appear on the screen, press the plus button. When No appears, press the limits button again to clear previous settings. The limit values will all return to the default values for the 7500 oximeter. You can proceed with each limits button press to the next limits value. Press the plus or minus button to increase or decrease the value to the desired limit. Then, press the limits button again to set the value and proceed to the next screen. O2L is the SpO2 low limit. HH is heart rate high. HL is heart rate low. And O2H is SpO2 high, appearing in that order. After setting alarm limits, you will proceed to audible alarm volume, which can be set to low, high, or off. Select with the plus or minus button and set by pressing the limits button. Next, you will see the memory clear or store function. Select Yes or No with the plus button and confirm by pressing the limits button when you see Delete or DEL. You will only see Delete if Yes is selected to delete the stored memory. You will then see the year, month, day, hour, and minute setting screens in that order. You can retain the present setting by advancing with the limits button or reset with the plus and minus keys, and then resetting with the limits button. Each limits button press advances to the next screen. You can disable the date and clock settings by setting the month at 00. If you confirm that setting, you will immediately exit setup mode. You can also make the alarm value limit settings the default settings. These values will be retained. To set the default values, press and hold the alarm silence key and press the limits button. This sets the current values as the default limits. You can reset all limits values to the factory default settings by pressing and holding the alarm silence key and pressing the minus button to clear the custom settings. You may return the oximeter to patient security mode after setup by first turning the oximeter off. Then, press and hold the alarm silence button and press the on-off button to turn the oximeter on. The oximeter will go into patient security mode. You can download the measurement data in the oximeter to Nonin's nVision software for storage and analysis. To download the 70-hour memory from the oximeter, attach the appropriate cable or data collection drive from Nonin Medical with the 7500 model turned off. Press the plus button and on-off button and then release the plus button. Playback mode will be seen on the SpO2 and heart rate displays until the data transfer is complete. The oximeter will then return to its normal function screens. With proper use, the Nonin Model 7500 and 7500 FO pulse oximeters will provide consistent, accurate oxygen saturation and pulse rate measurement. You can find additional use information on these and other Nonin products at www.nonin.com.